Afterword. 2,000 years before Columbus sailed to the New World, people knew for sure that the earth was round. As long ago as 450 BC, a Greek scholar named Philoeus and others became convinced of this because of the changing positions of stars in the sky, the way ships disappeared as they moved farther from the coast toward a horizon, and the shadows of the earth that appeared during eclipses of the moon. By the time of Aristotle, scholars agreed that the earth was a sphere, but how big a sphere remained a mystery. That mystery was solved by Eratosthenes. There is no doubt that Eratosthenes was a genius. Like all great thinkers, the success of his work depended on those who came before him. Mathematics was highly developed by the 3rd century BC when Eratosthenes was alive. Ratio tables, which were part of Eratosthenes' calculations of the angles, such as those formed by the shadows at Alexandria and Syene, were well established by Babylonian times. There was even a formula for measuring the circumference of a circle, but Eratosthenes did not use this particular one. He made up his own. Greeks had long studied geometry. They knew that when lines were drawn through a circle, certain angles always matched. This was an important geometric truth that allowed Eratosthenes to calculate how many pieces of the grapefruit there were, thereby calculating the circumference of the actual earth. When Columbus finally did set out to sail west from Spain to the Indies, he should have paid more attention to Eratosthenes' calculations. Instead, he looked at maps done by Greek geographers after Eratosthenes. These geographers made some serious mistakes and showed an earth that was not so big around. Columbus thought it would be a quick trip to the Indies. He was wrong. But perhaps if he had believed Eratosthenes' measurements, in which the oceans of the world looked so huge and the distances between lands so far, he would have never even tried. All knowledge builds on existing knowledge, but it takes the curiosity and inspiration of a man like Eratosthenes to figure out how to use that knowledge to answer old questions and create new ones that will alter civilization and our view of the world for years to come.